I'm about to fix this washer in this tap. Watch me do it. Alright. Just gonna do this shit too. Girls can do this shit too, guys. Ready? Turn your water off at the main. Let all the water leak out. Go and open a tap. Once you've turned your main water off, go in and turn your tap on inside. Let the water come out, and then you're safe to turn this on. Then you're going to get one of these, and we're going to undo this to get that off, so we can change it. Let's do it. Which way? Just got to figure out which way. Let's see. Gonna be one way or the other. I can't remember. Okay, hang on. I've got to check the video. Where's that? Always have a chocolate before we do it. Let's go counterclockwise. We're gonna get this part off. Ready? You can do it. Cat's watching me. Let's go. Counterclockwise is this way. Okay, we can do it. Wait a minute. It's on really tight. For some reason. I don't like that. Maybe you can't change it. Oh God. Hang on. Look. This is supposed to undo, but it looks like it's like melted on there. Oh my God. I don't know if I can do it. Oh wait, I think that's rubber. We'll try. We will try. We will try. Hopefully it won't wreck the whole thing, otherwise I'm stuffed. It's alright. Hope it is. Because this is weird. Okay. Try. Yes. Come on, I can do it. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. I don't want to break it, otherwise it'll make it worse. It's like a really old tap. Come on. Please undo. Yikes, it's not working. Hang on, back to the drawing board. Come back.